So the first test will be with my little 30-pound, bring that in, shearwater white feather. See how that copes with that. You can see it stopped that. I did actually get an X, which is quite nice to see. Only shooting about 10 yards. See how it's easy to pull. How far they're going in. There's that, about 4 or 5 inches. It's coming out okay. I'll pause this and I'll go and now try my Black Brook, which is a 45. I'm using the same arrows, which are actually 1132s, 446 grains. If you remember the white feather, put it in about 4 inches. That's the Black Brook, so that's good 7 or 8 inches. Nothing's coming through the other side. For light poundage bows, this would work really well, I think. I've blown one arrow to pieces, look. That's not good. I'm clustering it. That's what I get for shooting too closer groups. There you go, Rich. Archery Geek Outdoors. I blow arrows too. But anyway, a little bit of work and I've now got a bag boss. Cool. Of course it would be the arrow that went into the X, wouldn't it? Take care, guys.